Hello, and welcome to James Powell channel, where we give tech, news, and more. And this episode is brought to you by Augustin Farms 2-week 1-person emergency food supply. If you are needing emergency food, please go to jjmediaonline.net/emergency. That's jjmediaonline.net/emergency. Click the link below and you can get your emergency supply. We don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year. But be prepared, be ready, and go order your emergency supply today. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. So now, let's get into today's video.
All right, in the midst of this COVID-19 virus, and that's what all the news is about, I want to give some good news today. And of course, you can click the links in the description of the video. And again, I apologize, I have forgotten to drop those in some of my videos, but I want to ask you to subscribe, share, go to our social media channels and link up with us. But an LA doctor, and this is as of today, April 6, 2020, and the LA doctor, COVID-19 patients go from very ill to symptom-free in 8 to 12 hours using, guess what? Hydroxychloroquine and zinc. And if you watch my videos or kept up with me, one of my videos I talked of how the Democrats are trying to force that to go to FDA, trying to delay the process. It's like they want to kill you, is the bottom line. But a doctor in Los Angeles is reporting remarkable success in treating COVID-19 patients with a combination of zinc and the Trump-touted anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine. Dr. Anthony Cardillo, an ER specialist and CEO of Med Urgent Care. Of course, he is on Sean Hannity's show several times. I've heard him. He has been prescribing the combination of drugs to patients experiencing severe symptoms of the disease after contracting the novel coronavirus. Every patient I've every patient he has prescribed it to has been very, very ill, and within 8 to 12 hours, they are basically symptom-free. He added that combining the drug with zinc has been the key to success. So we have to be cautious and mindful, and we don't prescribe it for patients who have COVID who are well. It should be reserved for people who are really sick in a hospital or at home, very sick, who need that medication. Otherwise, we are going to blow through our supplies for patients that take it regularly for other disease processes. And I kind of want to go kind of do a rabbit trail. One of the things that Trump has been pushing is that try before you die sort of legislation, and that is there's nothing else left. If you want to try something new, try it. And used to, they didn't want to. The FDA didn't want to do it. So the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the FDA, fast-tracked hydroxychloroquine and chloroquine for the treatment of COVID-19 last month after 3 separate studies showed the pair of anti-malarial drugs to be a potentially promising remedy against the infectious disease. Of course, Trump has been optimistic about it, so it is working. This doctor has proof, and you can actually go to his website, Med Urgent Care. In fact, let me remember. I'll try to remember to drop this in the description. But it's medurgentcare.com. Medurgentcare.com. Okay, Now let's slip over to kind of where our country is during this time. Tennessee Supreme Court allows police to carry out warrantless, suspicionless searches of probationers' homes, undermining Fourth Amendment. Pushing back against the government efforts to chip away at our privacy and security guaranteed by the Fourth Amendment. The Rutherford Institute has asked the U.S. Supreme Court to reverse the state court decision allowing police to search the homes of probationers without suspicion of justification. So, here are some attorneys that are advancing the arguments. The most fundamental guarantee of the Fourth Amendment is that the government may not rifle through a home without cause. Let me highlight that. The most fundamental guarantee of the Fourth Amendment is that the government may not rifle through a home without cause. That is crucial. And this protection applies to every citizen and every home, no matter what the government might suggest to the contrary. That is key. We are in a battle here. And this is according to constitutional attorney John W. Whitehead. And of course, he's president of the Rutherford Institute. So, you have to remember, we have rights. We live in America. We have rights. Get frustrated. Get your concealed carry. Get your family prepared. Protect yourself. And just be prepared. So, I hope you enjoyed this. I like giving news tidbits and giving the links below. That way you can read up yourself. But I'm always looking at news, always listening to news. So, click below for the news links. Also, please hit the links below for our advertisers. And we do enjoy bringing you these videos, and we may get back to the tech eventually, but right now, while we are in this situation, I'm going to be still hammering out news articles and really allowing people to see what is going on. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe, like this video, share it, and please stay safe and yet stay sane. Thank you again. We will catch you in our next video.